roasted on each side. So after you've turned them all and they've become nice and brown, really black, they're going to look like this. Okay, step number 2. You're going to remove the roasted peppers with the black skin from your oven. And what we're going to do is simply peel them. Before you try to peel them, make sure you let them cool so you don't burn your fingers, of course. So let's just start by peeling this one right here. Look how beautifully roasted that is. Nice and black, so the skin is going to come off perfectly. It's perfectly cool now. I just put it over any dish and start with the stem, which comes right off. Look at the pepper just literally falls apart because it's cooked so beautifully. You want to just go along with the segments. A pepper has segments, so it's going to break off naturally. And look at how the skin just peels off so easily, so simply, because it's charred to the right point. So all your skin is off. Flip it over, remove the pith. That's the white part of the inside of the pepper. All the seeds, I just cut the pith right off like that. So you can just break it at the natural seam, cut off the pith. If you'd like to rinse these under cold water to make sure you get all the seeds off, that's a good idea. Sometimes I use a paper towel to make sure I get all the seeds off. But when it's nice and clean like that, then I have my prepared dish here, which is just olive oil and fresh garlic. This is how my grandmother always made her roasted peppers.